Today's recipe is a recipe which is an absolute winter comforting meal. The name you may ask, Tuvar Dana Masala. Let's begin. Well, Tuvar Dana for the uninitiated are fresh pigeon peas. Now the variety that I have actually laid my hands on are from Surat and hence known as Surti Tuvar Dana. Well, if you go out in the market and check with the farmers, there are many varieties that are available in India. Some of them are Pusa Arhar 14, then there's Tripti, there's Kaveri, there's Kudrat. The best one actually happens to be Kudrat. There's also a variety called Bhima, if I can actually think back. But Surti is what generically is available across India. If at all, by any means, you cannot lay your hands on the fresh Dana, you also get Tuvar Dana in your grocery stores. Or just walk into and ask for Tuvar Dana and you can lay your hands on them. All you need to do is bring them home, wash them nicely and soak them for at least 6 to 8 hours. What happens is it really blooms and then you can follow the recipe the way it is. For now, let's begin with oil. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with cumin seeds. Lots of Asafoetida, also known as Hing. Time to add in chopped onions, in this case, red onions. Let's add in salt at this stage so that the onions caramelize faster. And now, let's allow this to saute. Let's add in paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. Let's cook this and add in some spices. Turmeric powder to begin with. Red chilli powder. The quintessential Gujarati masala called dhana jiru, cumin and coriander seeds. And add in garam masala. Let's mix this well for a couple of seconds. If you're not comfortable at this high flame, you can also lower the flame and continue doing this. Let's add in chopped tomatoes. Stir this well. And add in the fresh Tuvar Dana or fresh pigeon peas. Let's stir this well. And add in some water. In this case, twice the quantity of the Tuvar Dana. With this now, 3 whistles on high flame or 20 minutes on low flame and you have the most amazing Tuvar Dana Masala. Well, for the uninitiated, this is a recipe which is absolutely traditional. It's a winter specialty from the north of Gujarat, from a place called Mehsana. And regionally, very typically, it's also called the Totha. Try this. Let's wait and watch. Once the flame goes off, let's squeeze in half a lemon. We add in some finely chopped green garlic. This of course is being added because it's in season, but otherwise you could just serve it like that. Let's mix this. And now this is ready to go onto the dinner table. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Tuvar Dana Masala is done and ready. And this can be served with chapatis, with fulkas, with steamed rice, or even with something like a pav or a sliced bread. And that is served with some onions, with some sev, with some pomegranate and things like that. Really spicy, literally like a misal, the way we serve in a Maharashtrian home. But what I am also additionally adding to this is a wonderful Gujarati dhebra. Try this, make this for family and friends, and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this recipe. Bye for now.